great to have Train Yards as a sponsor. They're really focused on our community in Riverview and trying to make sure what they do on Industrial Avenue is meeting the needs of our neighborhood and the city in general. So Marty, thank you very much for all you do for us. I also need to thank Enbridge for bringing their barbecue out and cooking up all of the hamburgers and the corn. They do a great job every year. So hats off to Enbridge. So Alexis, you won 4 tickets to the Ottawa 67s. And our last draw is 2 gift cards of $25 to Robbie's Italian Restaurant on Saint Laurent Boulevard.